Well, you can hear the rain falling out there for those heading out to the polls. Not the most ideal day. It would have been nice to have the conditions from yesterday when temperatures ended up right around 60 degrees and even the early morning lows weren't all that bad. And we, of course, had plenty of sunshine, but quite the opposite here today. Look at all of the cloud cover, and of course, it's still raining in places like Hagerstown. You can see the dampness there on the roadway, and it's going to keep on raining for the next few hours. What a chilly temperature to go with that, too. 44 degrees. You can just feel the difference in the air. Not only is it just damp, but just that chill continues to be around as well, as these temperatures have not gone up. Matter of fact, some locations have actually seen a bit more of a cool off by 1 or 2 degrees. We're in the middle 40s all the way across the board from Cumberland down toward D.C., where it's sitting at 50 degrees exact. And I mentioned, again, that light rainfall moved in this morning, and it's continuing to fall out there as we head into the afternoon. It's now more focused back across central Maryland, northern Virginia. The precip has already started to end back across the mountains, and we will slowly see this rainfall roll to the east as time rolls along this afternoon, and soon enough it will start to clear out. There's already a bit of clearing ongoing back across the Ohio River Valley, so not too much longer that we'll have to deal with the sogginess, but it is soon going to be replaced by quite a bit of chill, as we still have a freeze warning that is set to take effect later tonight and last into the middle morning hours tomorrow. That's all here in the darker purple across much of the eastern panhandle, northern Virginia, southern PA and Maryland, and then of course in this lighter blue here, that's a frost advisory along the Interstate 95 corridors. Those sub-freezing temperatures are very easily going to produce the coldest chill of the year so far, and we're going to certainly notice it out there. Now, checking out Future Tracker, again, the rain, it's set to continue at least until about 3 to 4 o'clock. That's when this disturbance will finally start to slide off to the east, and we will be clear of that. And very soon after, we're actually going to get just a bit of sunshine before it gets dark out there today, and then skies are really going to turn clear just in time for the overnight hours. What that's setting up is a prime cooling setup here, where those temperatures will fall under this clear sky and stay chilly until we can get the sun up and get a bit of warming going on Wednesday before clouds start to roll back in. We're not going to see any precip, but the clouds are going to be a bit variable as we go toward the middle and end of this week. Now, here's the big story. After the rain is gone, temperatures today should still end up topping out right around 50, even though we are chilled off into those lower 40s right now. But here we go. Tonight, already going to be in the 30s by the 9 o'clock hour, and then the coldest temperatures by far since early last spring, as we are going to be down to that freezing mark, if not the upper 20s by tomorrow morning, and that's why we will finally see the first hard freeze and first frost of the year for many locations before we do rebound. Still going to be chilly tomorrow, as we only see highs get to about 50, but nonetheless, it is going to be a rather cold one here over the next 12 to 24 hours. After that, it looks like we stick with more of the same. Highs around 50 or so. Those lows will be right around the freezing mark all week long, and we stay quiet. It's just a little bit of extra cloud cover on your Thursday, and then as the clocks fall back this weekend, we do start to warm back up again just a little bit on Saturday and Sunday.